Security through encrypted communication. Modularity through a standardized programming language. A long service life through robust hardware and innovative software. Flexibility through expandability, scaling, and free programming. For the first time, the new IEC controller combines high-level language programming and cybersecurity. This makes it a unique and highly versatile solution for critical applications and infrastructures. The control hardware offers numerous interfaces and options. Application programmers can therefore freely combine various protocols and expand and scale the system in a modular fashion. Communication via OPC UA and numerous other implemented protocols in accordance with IEC allows straightforward, seamless system integration over the entire life cycle. Compatibility with the proven PCD3IO system paves the way for the future. The hardware from SPC is extremely long-lasting, while the software allows rapid innovations. Existing installations can be upgraded quickly, easily, and inexpensively using the latest CPU technology. As a result, they too offer cybersecurity and high-level language programming. This guarantees a long operating life and low system investment and installation costs. A micro SD card provides storage space for all user data and information generated during operation, while the encrypted file system prevents unauthorized access. Take advantage of cybersecurity and efficient high-level language programming in accordance with the latest industrial standard, including object-oriented methods.